What's up, muscle car people? This is Bringing Muscle Cars and I'm Matt. Today we're back at Beaver Springs. If you watched yesterday's video, which you should, if you haven't, you're missing an awesome video. We are testing to see if we fixed the problems from the last time we were here. Hopefully it was just belt slippage and changing idler size will take care of that. So we went to a 4-inch from a 3.5 or 90 to 100 millimeter. Hopefully that takes care of it. So let's see how it goes today. Hopefully I don't cry like last time I was here. Let's hope. Alright, let's get to it.
And if you're
Alright, time to bring it. So we just watched that terrible first pass. I'm gonna pretend this video is sponsored by Monster. We're gonna release the beast with the Juice Monster. Juice is really are the best monsters. Leave a comment of what your favorite monster flavor is down below. This is one of my top 2 favorites. That pass didn't go that well. I don't know what's going on. The data logger is not working correctly. And just super frustrated. So without messing anything up, the car still runs fine, still starts, still runs, transmission's fine. I'm just gonna call it a day, I guess. I drove 2 hours to make a, I don't know, 13-second pass. I'm getting very good at having people build their confidence, because man, I was way out in front of, I'm pretty sure you'll be able to see that. I was way out in front of that guy. Before the 8th mile, I just let off, and I still almost beat him. But he beat me barely. And he, you know, he went back to his friends and like, dude, did you see me? I beat that guy. Oh man. Yeah. I just letting him build his confidence up. So we'll just go with that. Whatever. I was coasting for more than 1/8 of a mile. He's still beating me though. A win is a win. I'll give him that. So I don't know. I guess we'll take it and see what's going on. I don't know. But whatever. Everything is still fine. Just can't rev it past 5,500 RPM, I guess. Starts to break up. I don't know if it's belt slip, breaking up, what it is, but we'll just go with that for now and hopefully have it fixed by next weekend so we can run again next weekend and actually put down some fast times. Stay tuned because we got a lot more videos coming out this week. Sorry this one wasn't as good. You can put a thumbs down, I don't really care. You can give me a thumbs up to try to make me feel a little bit better. Say some encouraging words down below in the comment section. I don't know, anything would help a little bit. Alright, if you like us, I mean, and you have at least a cool car, or a car that you think is cool, or you like the car, if you're into cars, I don't necessarily have a fast car right now, but if you're like us and you like cars, I'm not going to say a fast car, if you're like us and you like cars, better bring it. Thanks for watching. Sorry this wasn't better and longer. Alright, see ya. Thanks for watching this video. I'm going to link a couple more videos that if you like this one and you made it all the way to the end, you're going to definitely like these. So watch them. Also, that middle button right there, I think is probably, you know, somewhere in there. Hit that button to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more action.